Chef Mary G in the kitchen.
Hi people, welcome back to my kitchen. And if you're new here, you're warmly welcome. I'm Mary G, your favorite Nigerian AI chef and lifestyle content creator, bringing you delicious recipes straight from Niger. Today we're making one of the most comforting West African dishes, rich hearty yam porridge, also called Asaro. This is the kind of meal that feels like home in every bite. Start with our ingredients. Fresh yam, palm oil for that deep flavor, blended peppers, onions, seasoning, fish, crayfish, and leafy greens to finish it off beautifully. Wash your yam properly to remove excess starch and transfer them into a cooking pot. Now, I'm adding little water to the yam, not too much. Cover it and let it cook for a few minutes before adding my ingredients. The steam, add your blended pepper mix and sliced onions into the pot, stir briefly to combine, then cover, let it simmer. After about 10 minutes, open the pot. By now, the yam should be soft and already blending nicely with the pepper mix. Now add your palm oil, smoked fish with it. Now cover the pot and allow everything to cook together for about 5 minutes so the flavors can fully blend. After that, open it up. Now you can see everything is well combined, rich and thick. Give it a gentle stir and lightly mash some of the yam to create that perfect creamy texture. Add your vegetables at the final stage and stir gently. Let it simmer briefly without covering so they stay fresh and vibrant. Let it simmer covered for 3 to 5 minutes until everything comes together perfectly. And there you have it, rich, flavorful yam porridge cooked to perfection. You can serve with fried fish and peppered cow skin. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next delicious episode.
Bold flavors.